Featuring a superior and fast 2847 brushless motor, 4000 kV, with high power density for more stable and reliable performance compared to brushed motor, this 4WD fast RC car's drivetrain is extremely efficient, with rampage speeds of up to 49 mph for exceptional operator enjoyment. All-terrain application. High-speed car adopts front and rear upright spring damping and double wishbone independent suspension system, so that the wheels in the up and down movement can automatically change the camber and reduce the wheelbase change to reduce tire wear. The tires have a large grounded area for good adhesion. The RC car is equipped with metal differential and various gear drives to ensure that both driving wheels make pure rolling motion when the car is turning or traveling on uneven road surface. It is suitable for flat ground, sand, mud, and grass. 2.4 GHz full-scale synchronized remote control system. The radio control system is enough to achieve stable control within 300 meters, and the interference-free remote control supports multiple cars racing in the same field. The full-scale throttle steering can realize speed change, support high-speed driving, rapid acceleration, deceleration, braking, reversing, and left-right steering. It comes with two 7.4V 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion batteries for long-time use. Rugged and durable design, the car shell is made of high-tenacity, explosion-proof PVC material, which is bendable and not easy to be deformed. The chassis is made of ABS material, which is resistant to physical impact and not easy to be damaged even in the event of a collision. Adjustable tie rods made of the same material as the chassis, together with the 3-wire 17G digital servo, are enough to cope with various terrains. The whole RC truck adopts 16 ball bearings to reduce the friction caused by vehicle movement and prolong the service life. Fast RC car for adults and boys. The high-speed car is equipped with LED headlight with 3 modes: constant light, slow flash, fast.